Guangzhou Shirui Cosmetic Company Limited, established in 2012, has related factories and is a professional company engaged in the research, development, manufacture, sale, and service of skin care set, sunscreen, under eye mask, facial serum, collagen sheet masks, natural soaps, all kinds of skin care products, spa aesthetic products, body care and hair care, etc. We are located in Guangzhou City with convenient transportation access, and we have an associated factory in Nansha District. Our associated factory covers an area of 7,000 square meters and has 10 production lines, can meet all the customization needs of customers, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, our factory has obtained ISO, GMPC certificates. CPSR certificates also can be applied according to customers' requirements, selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as the USA, Canada, Europe, Australia, Middle East, Asia, and other countries and regions. Our raw materials are mainly imported from France, Italy, Germany, etc. Also, OEM and ODM services are available. By improving our product design, we can meet customer needs and provide better products. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. Welcome to visit and consult.